Model Viewer is a new tool in civil site design that we will be using to visualise our design in a fully rendered 3D environment. The great thing about this tool is that when design changes occur, our 3D model will update dynamically. In this video, we're going to set up our design model in Model Viewer. When Model Viewer is first run on a project, the toggle display dialog will appear. Here we can specify what surfaces we want to show and how they will be styled. We're going to create a new design style for our final design surface. Using a design style, we can assign materials to triangles. Each design triangle has a code combination. For example, triangles at the curbs might be made up of the codes INV, TK and TK. We're going to use our final design model to create a list of code combinations. The software will automatically assign materials to these code combinations. For our base surface, we're going to drape the aerial imagery over the terrain. We have the option to add additional surfaces to Model Viewer, but in this project it won't be required. As you can see, the model looks pretty good in Model Viewer. However, there are a few areas where we will need to assign the correct material. You can see that the islands don't have the correct material applied. Model Viewer opens in a modeless form, so you can leave it displayed on another screen and continue working on your design. As you make design changes, the view will update. Users can zoom, pan and rotate, and there is also a toolbar and a view cube for easy navigation. We can change the visual style from rendered to shaded or to wireframe. The first thing we're going to do is fix up the materials of the islands. This can be easily achieved by right-clicking on the triangle and selecting Assign Material to Triangle. We can then pick the material we want from the list. I'm going to apply pavers at the centre of the islands. The curb will also need to be fixed up to show a concrete material. The intersection is now looking pretty good. Next, we will fix the material on the footpath. When we created the roads and the main car park string, we left the design to the software's best fit design. As you can see, the car park access does not transition into the car park, so we will need to fix this up. Within Model Viewer, you can access common civil site design commands such as the vertical grading editor and design data form. I'm going to right click on car park access and open the vertical grading editor. Using match to existing, I'm going to match the levels at the end of the car park access to the car park base surface. You can see as we have done this, Model Viewer has updated and the levels now look correct. In the next video, I will show you how 3D models can be added to Model Viewer along with some labeling. I'll also create a quick flyover which can be exported out to an AVI.